Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making a taco salad. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 head of romaine lettuce, 1½ cups of cherry tomatoes, 1/2 cup of red onion, 1/2 cup of yellow bell pepper, 1 15-ounce can of whole kernel corn, 1 15-ounce can of black beans, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. For the dressing, you'll need 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 cup of red wine vinegar, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. In a small bowl, combine the cumin, paprika, oregano, red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. Now add the sugar, red wine vinegar, and vegetable oil, then whisk together until well combined. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your ground beef. Now season with your salt, pepper, cumin, onion powder, and garlic powder, then allow your beef to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove from the frying pan, then set it aside. Make sure your beef has completely cooled before adding it to the salad. In a large bowl, combine the lettuce, tomato, and bell peppers. Now add the black beans, corn, and onion. Add your ground beef and dressing, then mix until well coated. After you have mixed, then your salad is ready to serve. This is an easy weeknight recipe that your family will love. I really hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to craft